the balance of this guitar is really nice. It just sits there and all the weight is right here. And then normally you'd have a headstock on this side weighing your guitar down and pushing on your shoulder. But since you don't have that, you feel the center right here. As a consequence, it's very comfortable to play. Let's go through all the pickup configurations now. So this is the neck.